we're going to cut a head out here. I've drawn it out here. I've changed my lip and my nose a little bit. So this is my base pattern. So we'll need 3 of these pieces. So I'll cut this out and use this as a pattern for the next 2. Then we'll need 2 pieces like this for our cheek and our neck. And then our 2 outside pieces, we'll need 2 of these. So we'll cut this out and use this as a pattern to make 2 more that same size. So we're looking at about 9.5 inches by 8 inches. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.